So here's a very brief initial startup video. This would be after the generator has been broken in on gasoline and after the kit has been installed. First thing I like to do is to remove the load block adjustment. Just take it out completely, then turn it back in a couple turns. Nothing exact, but leaving that rich will make starting a whole lot easier. Make sure your tank is completely open. Make sure your vent ports are open. You don't want any plugs in there. Hit the primer button for about a second. Make sure the generator is in the run position and then start it. Now it's going to run poorly right now because it's rich, but it makes it a whole lot easier to start. Turn this in clockwise until it runs smooth. Once you have it running smooth, put a full load or as close to a full load on the generator as possible, and then readjust this to where it runs best with a full load. Lock the jam nut down and you're good to go on propane.